Good afternoon and welcome to Washington Dulles, 11 minutes past the hour of 3. We have a taxi on the gate to remain seated. You're more than welcome to utilize your cellular devices. Once you get to the gate, the captain releases that fasten seatbelt sign. Please take a look around you. Seat pocket, seatbelt in front of you, the overhead bin. Follow the hallway. At the end of the hallway, you'll see two signs. One's for transfers. That should be have a downline connection. You follow that sign. If it says Washington, D.C., you'll take the mobile lounge to the main terminal, and you go through passport control, of course, on that side in the main building. On behalf of United Airlines flight crew, make sure we thank you for being with us. We hope you have a very pleasant holiday or vacation. Please make sure your mask over your nose and mouth as you disembark the aircraft, and thank you for flying United. Have a good day.